In the beginning, God made a man first, then a woman. Even the man took time. The man stayed a longer time, according to the Bible. Before God now said, it's not good for him, only him to be staying. Let us come. Let me prepare a woman for him as a helper. Then God passed through his ribs and bring out one of the ribs and make a woman. A woman should be under her husband. You should be under your husband, no matter how many people that are working under you in your office. You should be under your husband. A lot of women have driven their husband away. I wonder why this is happening here in Nigeria. Why? Strength to bear a loss of this kind man. See, oh my country people, let me greet my country people. Hi guys, you're welcome back to Gigi's TV where you have your news undiluted. So my country people, this man, they say, has been separated from his wife for the past 4 years. That him and the wife are now living their life independently. Una see the thing where I see the talk. Una see the thing where I see the talk. If this man was staying with the wife, or if the wife was staying with this man, this man for not do the thing where he do. Yes, this man for not do the thing where he do. I don't know what is happening to women these days. If they have money, they have power, they can't get backyard. It can't be to them like say they have everything and they can control everything and they can do whatever they want to do. They don't want to submit themselves to their husband again. They don't want to answer that name, that title where God give us, wife. Wife, they don't want to answer them again. What is happening to women? They forget that men is the head of the family. After Jesus Christ, now men. Now so God take talk am. After God, now Jesus Christ. After Jesus Christ. Now men, oh. After man, now woman will be made to substitute men. To help them, we are called helper. If person will help you, come won't help you. No be the person go give you record as you go take the helper. As you go, not the person go come say as I won't take help you. Now you where they call help go say, see how you go take the help me. So men have stopped their wife from working, and the wife becomes so submissive and be working and be under the under the subjection of their husband. That's so God take talk am. Why women go to see themselves like men? Some women now think say they be man, because they hold a very important office, controlling men there. When you come home, you become the wife that you are. Yes, that is how it should be. Now, my correct people, as they take talk, they say this man, in with the wife, done the separation for good 4 years, and they come, they do their own, they runs their things like say they never been married before. Because if this man and the wife was staying in the house, this man would not have been going out in search of a woman. This man will not be going out without the wife knowing, say, my husband don't come out too. I never said supposed to come out. And they'll be having daily calls. Like me. I know say I be perfect too. But if my husband go work, small time go call and say, honey, you don't reach. You go say, yes, you don't reach. You say they're busy now. Say, small time make a call and you go call me. Small time go call and say, don't go break. When I dey break now, no say this time I'm not break time. Yes. Small time go say, they break when they eat something. No, I go say, hey, enjoy my husband, enjoy you. Small time I go call and say, I know say that you dey work, but no vex, make I just hear your voice. The time when you go come back, I'll say, you be like saying now, small time now you go bring the come back. What do you want it if you come back? My country people, now saw me, I take marry my own, no. I say I take marry my own, no. But it's a certain say, death is inevitable, you can't die. But my country people, why is it that women now get this? So why can't you people subject yourself to your husband rules, to your husband, to make peace in the house, create peace for the man. No man where you give peace when they go come back home. No man where you give love when no go come back home. No man where you give attention wey no go come back home except few wey no like better thing. Anyway, my country people, na the family of this man come and come talk say dem dey separation o. The time wey they come take notice say make people no dey talk say the man na womanizer, na because they no stay together with him wife. He no stay together with him wife. So na the man, he remain in small time make him do him bad day. Na him they come take find out say the man don kpai, the man don kick bucket. Because people they call am, make them wish am happy birthday. Then they call am. He no dey pick him call. Na him the call come reach him daughter come call am. As him daughter call am say make him wish him papa happy birthday. Na him person, another person come be like say he wan pick the call, come dey fumble with the phone. Na him come say why person go pick call, he no go answer am. Na him come alert the mama. Na him dey begin dey find the man say na wetin dey happen. Na friends begin dey call say since when they call am, he no dey pick him call o, unlike him o. Na that time they come know. Another thing wey come pain me be say dem say they cover this man mouth, they tie him leg, they tie him hand, in two hand o. They tie am, cover him mouth, na make him no shout. People wey dey there, they fit hear, na make they no hear. You see they see wound and blood scatter all over the place. Be say he fight with some people. Abeg o, my country people, make police dig this thing, dig well. Now so I been dey talk, I think say they use Chidinma to accomplish this their evil act. They use that girl to accomplish their evil act. Because they know say that kind of drug where that girl take go, they high and she no go feel recall all the things will happen inside there. Now she come talk say I won't do her. Yes. If it be say they don't use him brain, because not be only that girl feel why this kind of man will be like this. That only that girl no feel why this man. And in brothers they don't talk say the man no they take drug. And if they find any drug inside the man house body, now they inject that drug. No be say the man take am, because the man a bodybuilder. The man a bodybuilder. He building. He know all the value of good health. He know the value of good health. So make Nigeria police, make them dig well, dig deeply, find out what happened to this handsome man here. Because the man demand justice. The man supposed to get justice. Only that small girl no fit by this man. Yes. Now I make a talk say, make them dig well. Make they think well. They don't take drug, finish that girl. That girl maybe no can remember anything will happen. Something happened, something serious happened. People that are involved, I trust Nigerian police, say then go find out the thing will happen to this man. Yes. Then go find out the thing will happen to this man. It could be something where we don't know happen to this man. Now all sort of news come and this one go talking on, this one go talking on, this one go talking on, this one talking. Now it can't take like this, can't they happen? The people where get this man in brothers, in sisters, in mama, then they for cry, may God give them the heart to bear the loss. May God give them the heart to bear the loss. May God strengthen them. Because to lose this kind of person, my country people, it's no easy. It's not easy at all. They need strength from God, and God will give them that strength. Anyway, my country people, if you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed, I wonder what they all do. Subscribe to this channel and comment your own view. What do you think about this thing? All the whole matter for comment section. If people not come to my WhatsApp or Facebook, and they discuss them with me. Comment on the comment section. Let's talk. Let all of us put mouth talk this thing, this talk. Make we talk inside the comment section. So my country people, I pray that this man, the family, then go get hard to bear this loss. No be small. I beg if una hear any noise. Now my neighbor they park motor. So my country people, now so we take CM. Now so we take CM. It's no easy. This life is no easy. And all the people where get hotel, be like say, Make dem dey take either na 5 minutes dey go knock for door dey find out the thing wey dey happen for their hotel o. No be say if person enter inside hotel dem go abandon the person, dem go leave am. 10 minutes make dem go knock so. Then we say make we check whether una still dey o. 10 minutes again dem go check. We check, we say make we come check whether una still dey because of the thing wey dey happen for hotels these days o. By so doing dem go dey find out all the people wey dey commit all atrocity in the hotel. Na so I take talk my own o. Yes, every 5 minutes make dem go find. Then 10 minutes make dem go knock again. 15 minutes make dem go knock again. 20 minutes make dem knock again. Make dem find. By so doing dem go dey find out all the small all the big atrocity wey dey happen to hotel. Make dem no dey give them chance like that. So na so we take see am o. Na so we take talk am o. Na so we take see am o. Na so we take talk am o. E no easy. Many bad things don dey happen for this our obodo Nigeria. E don tey wey this thing don dey happen. Person no go wake up. You wake up like this, you find food, you eat, you drink water, e enter your body. Na bad news. Anyway, if you never subscribe, subscribe to this channel. I thank una o. Una well done. May God protect you.